Recognize transactions incorrectly. A manufacturing company receives an invoice on 30 April 20X5 for work done on one of its machines. $6,375 of the cost is actually for a machine upgrade which will improve efficiency. The accounts department do not notice and charge the whole amount to maintenance costs. Machinery is depreciated at 20% per annum on a straight-line basis, with a proportional charge in the years of acquisition and disposal. By what amount will the profit for the year to 31 December 20X5 be understated? Answer: the profit will be understated equals cost less 8 months depreciation equals 6,375 minus 6,375 times 20% times 8 over 12 equals 6,375 minus 850 equals $5,525.